Hello guys, once again I Somesh Jingra welcome you all on behalf of Commerce 247. Hope you all are enjoying the online learning classes. So without wasting any time, in today's lecture we should consider about the business risk. So in previous lecture we have already seen that the business will go for some auxiliaries to trade, and this and in that auxiliaries to trade we are having one component that is called as insurance. The basic question arises why we go for insurance. We go for insurance just because of risk element in the business. Now, this is very common term, but when we ask somebody about the risk, it becomes quite difficult to answer them. So today we understand what is risk. As we all know, business is full of uncertainty. So there is a possibility of inadequate profit and even losses due to these uncertainties. क्या है हमारे पास पूरी की पूरी पॉसिबिलिटी है कि बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉफिट और बहुत ज्यादा लॉस हो सकता है इन अनसर्टेनिटीज के कारण से। तो वही पॉसिबिलिटी को हम क्या कहते हैं, रिस्क। नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस व्हाई द रिस्क टेक प्लेस। द रिस्क टेक प्लेस ड्यू टू द decrease in the demand of the commodity. Since nobody can expect about the future, if there is unfavorable change, अगर बिजनेस के अगेंस्ट में कोई चेंजेस हो जाते then it will result into the losses and the business risk. Suppose that I am loaded the stock of the ice cream in the summer season. मैंने आइसक्रीम का खूब स्टॉक अपनी शॉप में आइसक्रीम पार्लर में जमा कर लिया है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द समर सीजन, बट ड्यू टू द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस पोजीशंस ऐसी बन गई, बहुत ज्यादा रेनी सीजन में कन्वर्ट हो गया और मेरे बिजनेस में मेरे को क्या हो गया, लॉस हो गया। So these all are considered under the business risk. Now when we talk about these business risks, these are further divided into two types. One is called as speculative risk, another one is pure risk. पहला क्या है, speculative risk, दूसरा है pure risk. So what is speculative risk? As the name suggests, speculative risk means up and down, up and down, up and down. Speculative risks are those risks which result into profit as well as losses. तो यहाँ पर हमने मेनली रिस्क की बात करी थी जिनके कारण से एडिक्वेट प्रॉफिट भी हो सकता है और लॉस भी हो सकते हैं. दैट रिस्क आर कॉल्ड एज स्पेकुलेटिव रिस्क. Suppose that there is high demand of the commodity due to the favorable change and we earn the profit, that is called as speculative risk. Similarly, there is non-availability of raw material. Raw material nahi. It will result into the losses and that is also called as speculative risk. जहां पर प्रॉफिट होने की भी उतनी ही संभावना है जितनी लॉस होने की संभावना है, वो कहलाता है स्पेकुलेटिव रिस्क. The second one is pure risk. Pure risk means that risk which result into losses only. जिससे लॉस ही लॉस होंगे, अगर वो रिस्क नहीं होगा तो लॉसेस नहीं होंगे लेकिन प्रॉफिट भी नहीं. So when we talk about pure risk are those risks which either result in losses or result in no losses. It never create the profit. For example, loss by theft, loss by fire. These are the some example of pure risk. अगर लॉस बाय फायर हुआ तो लॉस ही हो, कभी प्रॉफिट नहीं हो सकता. अगर नहीं हुआ तो इट विल रिजल्ट इनटू नो लॉस. So pure risk will never result into profit, whereas speculative risk can also result into profit. So now let us discuss the nature of these business risk. So when we talk about the nature of these business risks, the first point is business risk arise due to uncertainty. Uncertainty means lack of knowledge related to the near future. Uncertainty किसे कहते हैं? जब मेरे पास नॉलेज नहीं होती, किस चीज की नॉलेज नहीं है, नियर फ्यूचर की कोई नॉलेज नहीं है, तो वो क्या है? अनसर्टेनिटी। अब मेरे को नॉलेज नहीं थी कि कल से क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन चेंज हो जाएंगी, ठीक, और मेरे को बिजनेस में लॉस, तो वो क्या है? The business risk arises due to uncertainty. There are many uncertainties in the business, like the change in the technology, advancement take place. Similarly, the change in the fashion, change in the demand of the customer, all these result into the risk in the business. All these changes are called as uncertainties. In simple language or one line, when we define uncertainty, uncertainty is the lack of knowledge in the near future. Lack of knowledge what is to be going happen in the near future. Next, second is risk cannot be eliminated. If we talk about business, each and every business is having some risk. We cannot eliminate the risk. हम रिस्क को हटा नहीं सकते बिजनेस. In some business it may be high, or in other business it may be low, but there is always existence of risk. Next one is depend upon the size of business. Now what happens? Risk depend upon the size of business. What happens if the business is at large scale? If the business is at large scale, our risk is high. There is the direct proportion between the scale of the business and the risk. If we run the business at a small scale, the risk will be low. Hope you understand the concept. The last nature of that business risk is profit is the reward for risk. As we all know, in employment, we are getting a fixed salary with no risk. Fixed salary and no risk. But in business, we get the profit. Why we get the profit? Because we take the risk. Remember this? Profit is a return or reward for bearing that particular risk. That is why it is already said that higher the risk, higher the profit. तो जब भी हम ज्यादा रिस्क बियर करते हैं, हमें प्रॉफिट होने के चांसेस उतने ही ज्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, हमारे को रिवॉर्ड मिलने के चांसेस उतने ही ज्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं. That is why we called it as profit is the reward for the bearing risk. So this is all about risk. So when we considered about risk is the possibility of inadequate profit and losses due to the uncertainties. It can be of two types. One is a speculative risk, another is pure risk. When we talk about speculative risk, it can result into profit as well as losses. But when we talk about pure risk, it always result into losses or no losses. When we talk about nature, we are having four nature. One is it arises due to uncertainties. Second is it cannot be eliminated. Third one is depend upon the size of the business. And the last one, it is the reward for the profit is the reward for the business risk. Thank you very much.